Yeah, I am aware of your customers. That I've served all of them. Everybody has a drink in front of them. They're all happy. And that's all that there is to this. Is this jackass down here happy? Besides the fact that he doesn't have a fucking chair. Yeah, he's happy about the bar being cleaned up. I didn't see any supplies at that ship out there. Although, maybe I gotta do something with this guy. Well, I guess I just bought a fucking boat. Oh god. I can't see where I'm aiming this thing. Ha, what? What am I supposed to... I can't see where I'm looking. What am I supposed to be shooting at? Oh, that time it really fucking launched. Am I not supposed to be shooting this? What am I? Okay. Oh. How am I supposed to navigate anywhere? What the fuck is going on? Oh, okay. This is better. Is this a spam click? Oh, it is a spam click. Okay. Come on. Oh my. Why is that guy just sitting there? Go up. Go up. Holy fuck. Thing fights you so hard. I can't even overpower it. Oh, okay, I got rid of that. How many fucking boxes are there? Ah, Jesus. Can I get the chest with this? Where am I? I don't know where I'm at. How do I get out to this chest then? So apparently I can't grab it. Okay, sure. Oh my god. Now, there's definitely a way that I get these chests with this boat. There's no fucking way. Oh my god, I'm facing the wrong way with the boat. Oh my god. Aha. I can't get the loot like that. I need to go back to our chest. Okay. I call some bullshit on that. Am I hitting the tree or something? What the fuck? Give me the chest. There we go. Come on. Let me turn. I'll be very careful. I don't got much else left on this boat. Ship graveyard. That seems like the exact place I don't want to go. In a boat that's almost dead, the ship graveyard. Not sounding like the best of places to be, but yeah, here I am. I don't see a hook spot there. I have to pull up and get the right side of the boat over by this? Yeah, so I gotta put the right side of the boat over for the vacuum. Okay, this thing wants to go down that way. That's nice. Oh, alright. I like that. Mm. Careful. I don't know if the boat can fit through that gap even. Why are we rocking so fucking much? Okay. Wonder how much of this shit I need to collect for them. What the fuck? How many pieces even are there in this? Oh god, backing up a boat would not recommend. Okay, so that shot way higher that time. Oh, that's really high. Oh, okay. Oh my word. Do I even fit in this? Fuck me. Hmm. I probably shouldn't have tried coming back over this way. Oh, that's fucking horse shit. Okay. I got a shit ton of stuff opened up. Why is it fucking turning? I'm holding straight forward. Which way do I need to go? This way. Back here. Fucking excuse me? You just pulled me out of that? Excuse me. I still want that fucking chest I was trying to get. Goddamn bastards. I'm getting pretty good at driving this boat around. Apparently stay far as fuck away from that exit. Oh god, waves. Being waves. Can't see my boat anymore. Might as well grab the last little package. Now I'll exit. One treasure chest. Out of a treasure chest, I got a treasure chest. That's pretty good. 2 treasure chests. So wait, I already had a treasure chest. So now I got 5 treasure chests. Did this guy need 5? Oh. Yeah, I gotta talk to each of the pirates for their individual chests. There are 5 of them. Man, I got a lot of seeds for stuff that I can't even see in my inventory yet. Straw hat. Well, I was hoping for more of a pirate hat. Well, I guess I'll take a straw hat. There you go, take a coconut. I had 4 coconuts. Jesus. That dude needs a lot of plants. This guy. Alright. Okay. Cool. Do I know how to plant those? I don't know how to plant 2 of them. So I can talk to this guy. See if this was a waste of 8 seeds. Huh. Yeah, seems kinda like it was a waste of seeds, because now I'm talking to this bitch again for another wheel spin. And there's not 8 seeds on here. This isn't something you do for speed running. There's somewhere where I'm gonna have to figure out how to go up this now. What is happening? There's way too many raindrops in this fucking thing. Yeah, I get that I can't swim, but I don't know where I ended up even. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the town because up that thing is the only real place that I really think I can go to now. You guys still all broke? Yeah, you talk. Where's that guy's shop at? It wasn't far from the windmill. Oh, there he is. Okay, I guess we can recycle what we have. I'm more of just wanted to see what you were offering. Oh. This thing's stressful. He doesn't have anything in his shop. What? Okay. Oh, this is some kind of political thing? What? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, let's go. We got the 8 out of 8 sunflower seeds from that guy. See what we can do. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Alright. Oh, Ranger's now chopping down trees. Oh. Flowers are immediately growing. Why did they go to that guy? Talk to the lifeguard at the beach. Find out what's going on. Oh shit. I should have probably walked in here a long time ago. Oh god. Mm-hmm. You know what, dude? Now I'm actually able to beat you in a race. I have the sunflowers for speed boost. Where are we actually going for this? Up there, down to the left. I could fly that pretty quick. Get going up there, got a ton of sunflowers to go up that. Follow the sunflowers all the way up into the cave. And down this. Probably fly a lot of that pretty quick. Going to the beach this way. Okay, I didn't even know that was a path. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, we gotta go back over to the thing too. Okay, okay. I guess it does say start/finish. That's the wrong one. That was a lot better of a flight. Oh my god. Clip that fucking rock. Let me fly! There we go. I'm stuck inside of the fence. I can't get out. Cool. Can I fucking talk to you? Why am I fucking flying? I hit Y. I'm only hitting Y. I just want to unbreak my game. I'm pretty sure I am just fully broken. Oh, I'm glitched on the fucking flying thing. On the leaf. Am I able to plant any other... Yeah, I can't plant those other things. I mean, I guess I could try and chase my way back over onto the beach, talk to the lifeguard, and see if that unlocks it. Cause this race is fucking stupid. Like, why is this fucking town breaking my fucking game? And how are you just magically caught back up to me? How does he catch me? I am so fucking far ahead. I went so fast through so much of that. Doesn't make sense that he'd be able to catch up on that. That is ridiculous. Flip me over the fucking fence. Just going to go over, try and talk to the lifeguard and see if I can make things work. butterfly. Who is... Where the fuck is this lifeguard at? Can I go down that way? Mr. Lifeguard. Didn't I already get it? You know what? Never mind. Pretty sure I already got a ticket off that guy, but I'll take an extra ticket, sure. You. I got another ticket magically. Thanks for nothing.